everyone! Today me and Pierre are going to be playing KERPLUNK. So the point of this game is to get the least marbles. So we need to put these sticks in. So we put it in, and then we need to try remove. So the marbles are going to be on the sticks. And then we have to try pull one out. And if a marble goes into our team, Pierre's number 1, I'm number 2. So if one marble goes into our number, then you lose, kind of like. So at the end, we're gonna see the person with the most marbles, because the person with the most marbles loses. But I don't know what the consequence is. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like and comment. Okay, so we're gonna put the sticks in. It's really hard. Wait, let's remove this. Okay, carefully, carefully, carefully. Okay. Whoa! No, wait, you didn't put this orange stick properly. What's up properly? I don't know. I just said it. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. So you can't see me. Okay. So hard. Okay, so we have this game at school, and it's actually so fun. But not on my class. Maybe you can bring this if it's like rainy. I hope. Okay, I can. Okay. People at my school, they just put everything in there, but it's very hard too. I'm running out of sticks. It's fine. I have some. No thanks. I have a lot, actually. Sort of. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 4. Wait, you need to push this in more. I have 3 more sticks. I have 3 more sticks too. It's very hard now because there are a lot of sticks. I don't know where this one is going. Okay, I have 2 more. Okay. We got this. Top ones are easier than bottom ones. True, because you can see at the top. Yeah. And you can push them. Okay. Medium. Not 2 at a time, please. Yes, I'm done. Okay, wait. I'll get the marbles. No, the marbles are just here. Okay, we need to carefully get it because it went all around. Okay. And then just put it here. No. We'll I'll just get that. We'll do it carefully because we don't want it to go down. Is that a marble down there? No. That's okay. That does not count. Okay. No, it's fine. That's why do it carefully. One at a time. I think we have to close it now. Yeah. Oof. Once. Okay. Do it carefully. I hate this when this happens. Yeah. Okay. Do it carefully. Okay. Do it carefully now. Okay. It's fine. Okay. We're gonna do 2 at a time. Okay. Oh God, if it fell. Okay, I'll go first when we're starting the game. Okay, Or do you want to go first?
Sure. Can I have some? One?
Okay, so we need to pull one out. Okay, so now we're going to put the hole. It's fine. Okay, so we're going to put the hole into number 1 because that's what Pierre's number is. So he's going to pull a stick. Okay. Ooh, okay.
2 sticks.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we're going to stick to number 1. So that's Pierre's. Okay, go.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Woo! my turn.
Okay, imagine if you get some marble in.
Bio.
Okay, I know which one to get.
Same.
We're getting the ones at the bottom because it's more loose and no marbles are at the bottom.
Yeah.
So that's why we're going for the bottom.
This one's simple.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to get one of them at the top. No, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. That doesn't. Okay. I'm gonna try aim for the top now. Okay. Okay. Go here. Oops. Oh wait.
I'm not going for that. I am not going for that. It's the
Okay, go up here.
There's a marble there, so I'm not gonna go for that one.
Okay, okay, yeah. Oh no, okay. You need to help me. Okay, never mind. Cause I don't. Okay, I only got one marble. Yeah. Imagine if everything. Pier. I don't think that came in properly.
I'm gonna aim for the top now. I'm gonna aim for the top.
Or should I don't know where to go. This one's loose, but there's a marble. Okay, we need to go very. Okay, I'll just let that marble go.
Why is it going to me? Why is it going to me? Oh, never mind.
Okay, hot Pierre. You get the hard ones. You get the hard ones.
I don't.
Oh.
I don't even have a marble.
Okay.
You get some.
I swear.
Oh.
Okay, here. Okay, I
swear.
got.
If I lose.
Oh!
How did I get that? How did I get that? How did I get that? How did I get that?
No.
I know which one. Yeah, that was the one I was gonna get.
No, that
you.
was on purpose. Bro. In that round, Pierre won, so now let's start round 2. And I'm going to go first. Because you went first the last round.
Okay, I'll go second.
I
I did it hard.
Go. Oh wait, we need to get on. Okay, go up here. Okay, go carefully.
That's
Cause
way hard.
should I aim for this? Hey, it's like Pierre's getting lucky today.
I've been unlucky.
No, you touched that.
I've been unlucky some days in school.
I'm always unlucky at school.
Sometimes. Same.
But school is so fun. Okay. We're just gonna. Oh! Wait, pull this out because it's loose. Okay, go here. Let's see.
Eeny, my mouth.
Hey, you touched that, you touched that.
I'm not gonna be lucky
No.
today. I'm not gonna be lucky today. Oh, I see this marble moving.
Okay, go. Pull it out. Wait, what? No. Okay.
Oh. Well, it's not on the side. This side. The side.
Woo! Okay. Okay, carefully do it. Now more. And there. Okay, go up here.
This one looks safe.
I don't think it's safe.
Oh my god! I know what the next one, I think.
I know, but I don't know. here to tell. They're not your enemy.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, see? I told you, Pierre, it's not good. I mean, I didn't, but. So I got 4 points. Bro. Bra.
I know which one's it. I know which one.
Oh, that's on my one. It should be yours. Oh, and yeah, that. Oh, yeah, that one. No, that wasn't supposed to go because you moved it. Here. Only 2. Okay. Go carefully. No, I don't. No, you did. You got the mark. This is getting tense. I have 3 and Pierre has 0. Now I got 5 altogether. Okay, go Pierre. It's your turn. My first marble. No. You're going. And remember, you have to twist it. Oh yeah, go careful. Okay, whoever loses gets the consequence. And I think that's gonna be me. I don't know what the consequence is. I think we should do 3 rounds.
3 rounds?
Or 4 or 5.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose. Yeah.
No, house. Okay, yeah, I lost. Yay! Okay, so that's the end of the video. This is actually a really fun game. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like, and comment. So, as I lost, Pierre is going to put shaving cream on my face wherever he wants.